Hello guys, good morning. Ito po may pakita ko sa inyo. Ito special produkto ratia. Ito pakita ko sa inyo guys. Yan guys, masarap ito guys. Yan. Matarap guys, ratia. Yan ang yung letrato guys. Ratia, yan. Yan, balatan natin to guys ha. Pakita ko sa inyo guys. Yan. Ratia. Yan guys. Ratia. Yan, tingnan nyo guys. Yan, ratia. Kainin natin guys, ratia. Yan, tingnan nyo guys. Yan. Sarap. Boy, ngol ka ba ya? Boy, ngol ka. Wow. Sarap. Okay. Yan, tingnan nyo guys. Sarap guys, ratia. Yan, like naman. Thank you.